on! Can you wrap up the rest of the sandwiches for the picnic, please?
Sure, Mom. Yuck! Plastic? No! Plastic wrap gunks up our oceans, and fish might try to eat it thinking it's food. Gross! Not on my watch. I'm the Plastic Blaster, and where I roam, conservation goes. I'm making my own sandwich wrap. Grab some cotton fabric, a ruler, scissors, hot glue gun, and clear nail polish. Measure and cut. 9 inches wide and 14 inches long. Now, flip the fabric, glue down the edges, and make a squeaky clean seam. Ask for help with the glue gun. Now fold up the fabric and glue it down. Wait for it to dry completely. Not yet. Not yet. Done! Reach inside and pull it through so it's right side out. Now we need to make holes for the string. Fold the top section over halfway. Take the scissors and cut a small slit in the fold. Then cut a small slit at the top of the pocket too. Cover both holes with clear nail polish and let dry. Grab some string. Loop the string through the holes and tie it closed. Yes! Now you can pack your lunch and save the planet.
Did you finish wrapping all those sandwiches?
Just one sec, Mom. Join the Plastic Blaster and take the Kids vs. Plastic Challenge. Learn more at natgeokids.com/plastic.